If you're rebuilding forms manually inside of Monday.com, this is going to save you a lot of time. You can now take an existing form, paste it into Sidekick, and have it build your structure for you. Let me show you what I mean. I was working with a client who had an existing Google form, and it wasn't a small one. There were a lot of questions, dropdowns, and different field types. Normally, rebuilding something like this in Monday takes time. You have to create each column, set up the options, and make sure everything matches. So instead of doing that manually, I use Sidekick. What I did was take the entire Google form, select everything, copy it, and paste it directly into Sidekick. Then I gave it a simple instruction. Each question should become a column, and any dropdown should include their options. From there, Sidekick starts processing. It goes through the structure of the form and begins building out the board automatically. And within a few seconds, you can start to see the columns being created. Each question becomes its own column, and the drop-down options are carried over as well. So instead of rebuilding everything from scratch, you're starting with a structure that's already done for you. Now, in some cases, it might not capture everything perfectly on the first pass, and that's okay. You can just prompt it again, ask it to retry or refine what's missing. But even with that, this saves a significant amount of time, especially when you're dealing with a large form or migrating existing processes into Monday. Because now, instead of spending time building, you're spending time reviewing and refining. And that's a much faster way to work. If you're building out forms regularly or migrating from tools like Google Forms, this is something you should definitely be using. And if you want more ways to use AI inside of Monday.com to save you time, make sure to subscribe to this channel by clicking the link below. Thanks for watching.